Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by Pete's Garage. This 60-second tip is about fixing minor scratches and painting your car with things you already have around the house. Now the first thing I'm going to do is show you what I mean by a minor scratch. The difference between a minor scratch and a major scratch. And I'm going to polish that scratch out with nothing more than toothpaste. Toothpaste has abrasive in it. That's how it cleans your teeth. So we're going to use some toothpaste to polish out a minor scratch. Now it really doesn't matter what brand you use. Sometimes the ones with baking soda will work better, but using a whitening one is not going to make your car any whiter. So let's get started. When I say really small scratch, if I run my fingernail over it, I can just barely feel it. As opposed to a paint scratch like this, when you run your fingernail across it, you can hear it. I'm going to take my, of course Frank is listening, take my cotton towel that you can find in your bathroom, just don't let anybody know you're taking it. I'm going to take a little bit of toothpaste, take toothpaste right out of the tube, like that, and I'll put it right on there. And what I'm going to do is put my finger very tight inside there, so I'm going to rub really hard to get some friction going. Rub it right on the scratch like that. When you get a little heat going, scratch was right here. I got some scratches there from the toothpaste. Just gonna put a little turtle wax on here. A little wax to cover up. Scratch was right here, and now scratch is gone. Now remember, toothpaste is abrasive, so it will leave some scratches. So you want to come back at the end with some wax, even it out, and you'll have a nice repair. Thanks for stopping by Pete's Garage.